Hello, brothers and their sisters. How are you guys? Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Ali, and today we are going to be doing object variables and formatting. So let's get started. First of all, what is object variable? Let's look at an example. Let's say I say that sheet A1 dot range A1 dot select. Okay, now let's say again sheets. Actually, let's copy this. Dot value equals LLT tutorials. Actually, it should be how are you guys? Okay, and again I'm gonna paste this and say dot clear. Okay, so let's look how does it work. If I play this step by step, first I'm gonna say F8. It's gonna go here. It's gonna select A1, no problem, it is already selected. Now it's gonna say how are you guys, as you can see in here. Now it's gonna clear it. No problem with that, we're good. Well, if you didn't notice, that would be really awkward if you didn't. I had to type every single time this. I had to at least copy it every single time. Copy paste it, copy paste. Yeah, this is frustrating. I mean, this is stupid thing. So what to do? Well, basically the thing you can do is simple. Let's declare a variable. Let's name it dim x as, but this will be as range because we're trying to select a range. So as range and set x is equal to this thing. Okay, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to say that I have a variable called x and I want it to be range variable, so it contains my range, what my range is I'm working with. So I'm saying that let the range of x be equal to this, so let x be this range. Okay, so suppose the word set is let x is equal to sheet a1 dot range dot a1 dot a1. So now I can clear everything in here and just type single x. And sorry, I have to delete all this. What the hell is this? Okay, so let's play this again. It won't actually, when you go to step by step like F8, it won't look at this dim. It's gonna go start directly to x is equal to nothing, but after that x is equal to worksheet sheet a1 dot range dot a1. Now it's gonna select a1. Let's go in here and it's gonna select a1. It's gonna now say how are you guys. Now it's gonna clear it. Well, it makes life a whole lot more easier. So we're done with this. I think we are cool. Now let's go to formatting. Okay, so I'm gonna say formatting. I think this should be working. Okay, actually I'm gonna rise up, so let's work. I'm gonna say that my range, as I'm working with range, as I have told you once, that you can say that range a1 dot value equals Ali. Let's play this. If it works, then no problem. So it's Ali. I'm gonna be using this shortcut for now. So I'm gonna say range a1 dot value is equal to name. I'm gonna just copy this because I have to type it again and again. 3, 4, 5. So range a1 is equal to this, and b1 is equal to this, c1, d1, and e1. I'm gonna say class section, date of birth, and lastly I think I'm gonna choose nationality. It's awkward one, but let's run this one. Yeah, it's good. As you can see, it's not centered, so the first formatting we are going to be learning about is center. We're going to say that, as you can see, it's from A1 to E1. So I'm going to declare a dim. I'm going to say dim x as range. I'm going to say range set x is equal to range A1 to E1. Okay, so we have this range. I'm gonna just slide this here so it makes reading whole lot more easier. I'm gonna say now that I wish I could hide this, but let me make it smaller. Yeah, now I'm gonna say that center all things. So I'm gonna say x dot horizontal alignment equals center, XL center, sorry. I'm gonna just apply this. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it's centered. So the way to center our stuff is using horizontal alignment. So if you see this, I have to only type X and it's awesome. It works like charm. Now, number 2. Let's change this color. I'm gonna say X dot interior. Interior means the background stuff. Okay. So interior dot color. I'm gonna change the background color to VB red. So it's gonna just change the background color to red. Well, it's not like you have only this color. By the way, VB colors are called standard colors, and they are 10, I think, totally. VB cyan, VB magenta, VB red, VB green, VB blue, VB yellow, VB and stuff. So they are total in in total 10. But I don't use these colors. I use RGB colors. RGB, I type RGB, and I just go like this, and I say like 120, 50, 200, and I'm gonna just type this. As you can see, the color has changed. Well, how can you get the RGB colors? So the easiest way would be like going in here, going to more colors, and look here, 120, 50, 200. These are RGB colors. As you can, these are RGB colors. You can select any color from here you like this, and you're gonna get its RGB from here. Yeah, I think it's a nice color, by the way. 37 to 13 and 17. 37 to 13 and 17. I have to close this. 37 to 13 and 17. I forgot this. 37 to 13 and I forgot. 170. By the way, my memory is really bad. Okay, so let's change the color. Maybe this is the one. Yeah, this is the one. Now we have changed the background color. Let's learn how to change the text color. The way to change the text color would be saying x dot font dot color equals VB. No, actually RGB. I'm going to show you another way to select RGB. So if you press Ctrl J or Ctrl space, you're gonna get your italicants, and if you look at your italicants, you have like whole, what is this? RGB Alice Blue, RGB Aqua, RGB Antique White. What are these? These are colors. These are predefined, so you don't have to actually get into this color scheme. So I think it's good. Let's say RGB Coral, and let's work with it. Let's see what is the color. It's strange. I think I'm gonna select RGB white. white, it exists. Okay, I think now it works. Now I want the font to be bolder. I think it should be bold, so I'm gonna say x dot font dot bold. Well, if you think about it, bold doesn't have any value. We say it true or false. We're gonna say, do you want true? Yeah. You want bold? Yes, I want. So I'm saying that I want true. I want it to be bold, and I'm saying that it is true. What I'm saying is true. Okay. So it became what? Yeah, it became bold. If I set this to false, you may have already understood that when I click on this, the program will go through everything here, and in the last it will see the color is the font is not bold, so it's not gonna bold it. So let's see. Now as you can see, it's not bolded. Okay, let's leave this as it is. I think bold looked good. Let's say true. Now how can we change the size? So size is also easy to change. X dot font dot size equals like 12, and let's check it out. Yeah, font has changed. If you don't believe me, let's put to 15 and you're going to see. Yeah, as you can see, this is awesome. Okay guys, that's all. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any question regarding this tutorial or other, make sure to put it in the comment box below. And if you have any suggestion, please put it in the comment box below. And lastly, if nothing worked with you and if something worked with you, please tell me in the comment box below, so I can gain more experience from this and understand what is working good with you guys and what is not working good with you, so I can make tutorials better next time. So if you like this tutorial, you can just subscribe, and you can actually donate to me. Thank you guys. If you actually donate, the support link will be down in the description box, or it may come in front of you. I don't know that YouTube allows it or not. If it doesn't, it will be there. You can look it, and if you want to support, you can support. Thank you very much guys. It means a lot. Thank you. Bye bye. See you later.